Hello everyone, welcome to Maria Daily English.
I'm so happy you're here with us today. I am John.
And I am Maria.
Today we are learning the difference between two words that express future thoughts, hope and expect.
Yes. They seem similar, but one is about feelings, and the other is about facts or logic.
So, what is the main difference?
Hopey is for things you want to happen, but you aren't sure if they will. Expecty is for things you think will happen because it's likely, scheduled, or required.
Let's start with hope. When do we use it?
Use a hopey for wishes, dreams, or desires. For example, I hope you have a great day. I hope it doesn't rain. You want it, but you can't control it.
Got it. Feelings and wishes. Now, expect.
Expecty is for predictions based on evidence or rules. For example, the bus is expected at 9 a.m. It's on the schedule. I expect you to finish your homework. It's a requirement.
So, expect is more certain or obligatory.
Exactly. It's logical. I expect him to call because he promised.
Let's test this. Sentence 1. I ___ to become a doctor one day.
Is it a wish or a schedule? It's a dream. So,
I hope to become a doctor one day.
correct. Sentence 2. The package should arrive tomorrow. I ___ it by noon.
It's tracked, scheduled. So, I expect it by noon.
Perfect. Sentence 3. We ___ good weather for the picnic, but who knows?
Uncertain, wish. So, we hope for good weather.
Excellent. Sentence 4. You are late. I ___ you to be on time.
Requirement, rules. So, I expect you to be on time.
Great job. Let's try a natural conversation. John, what are your plans for the weekend?
Well, I hope to go hiking if the weather is nice. But I expect it to rain, according to the forecast.
Oh no. Well, I hope you stay dry anyway. Do you expect to finish your project by Monday?
Yes, I expect to finish it Sunday night. It's due Monday morning.
Good luck. I hope it goes well.
Thanks. I'm expecting a busy weekend, but I hope to relax too.
See how we used them? Hope to go, wish. Expected to rain, air prediction forecast. I hope you stay dry, wish. Expect to finish, plan deadline. Expecting a busy weekend, logical prediction.
Quick review. Hope equals want, wish, uncertain. Expect equals think, require, likely, scheduled.
Memory trick. Hope equals heart, feelings. Expect equals head, logic.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, I expect to win the lottery, unless you bought all the tickets. Say, I hope to win. Don't say, I hope the train arrives at 8, if it's a timetable. Say, I expect the train to arrive at 8.
Practice tip. Ask yourself, am I wishing for it, hope, or predicting requiring it, expect?
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who mixes these up.
And practice time. In the comments, write one sentence with a hope and one with your expect. We'll read and correct every single comment.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, small word choices make your English precise.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.